Once the machine is switched on, the start page is the starting point of the visualization. In this video, we will take a look at the page and the layout of the user interface. The visualization is divided into 4 main areas. On top we have the header area, where the user can log in, change the languages, see machine alarm status, etc. The central area is reserved for display of various interface pages. To the right we have the status bar area, which contains status information about important machine functions. And, on the bottom, the footer area, with the main menu button, machine movement controls, and alarm reset button. The header, footer and status bar area are always visible, independent of which page the user is on, while in the center area the user can choose which page to display. Let's take a closer look at each of the areas now, starting with the header. The header spans across the top of the visualization, providing the user with important functions. Depending on the background color of the header, it can quickly be determined if the machine is operational or in an error state. Green indicates that everything is okay, while gray, yellow, orange and red, with appropriate severity levels, all indicate that something is out of the ordinary, and that the user should inspect for errors. By pressing on the Woojin logo, in the highlighted area, the user can take a screenshot of the visualization. The screenshots will be saved in the following location on the hard drive of the controller. Next, we have alarm area, showing the number of active alarms, which can be expanded by pressing the area. In the middle we can see the product information, with the name of the currently loaded recipe data, and the machine status underneath. To use the rest of the header functions, we first need to log in. This can be done by opening the login area. Here the user can log in or out, adjust the timers for automatic logout and screensaver functions if they are enabled, as well as change the system theme between light and dark, based on his preference. Once logged in, the user can use the machine mode functions, where he can start or stop the motors, heating and cooling, as well as change the machine modes. Next to it, we have the language selection, where the user can switch between multiple available languages, as well as change the physical unit system. Date and time information is displayed in the top right corner. As mentioned before, on the right side, we have the machine status area. On the top of it, there is a help button. By pressing this button a dialog window opens, with a QR code, which leads to a help video related to the page that is currently open. The majority of status bar is reserved for status information of various machine components, like the clamp, injection, pumps, etc. What is shown in this area can be configured on a separate page, freely, by the user. For more information about this, please refer to the help video related to the status bar. In the highlighted area, we have the quick navigation buttons. These can be configured by the user to quickly switch to a desired page. To assign the current page to the button, simply hold the button down. Once the loading animation is completed, the button has been assigned to the current page. On the bottom of the status area is Machine Status button. Here the user can assign special machine status, for example, in case of maintenance, which will be logged in the machine status history. The bottom part of the visualization, the footer, is used primarily to control the machine movements. The user can manually control the machine axes from multiple corresponding tabs. Here the automatic movement can also be started or stopped. On the right, the alarm reset button is highlighted. Above it, navigation buttons for switching between last visited pages are available, with the current page name displayed between them. In the top left corner of the footer area, is the main menu button. Pressing it opens a page menu, with the possibility to navigate to different pages of the visualization. The pages are shown in the central area, and in the case of the start page this is what we see. The start page serves as an overview page for some of the important information regarding the machine operation. Underneath the logo we see a frame with useful tips on how to use some of the special functions of the machine. In the lower half of the page, 4 frames are shown, with information about production control, quality control, cycle timers and machine status. These can be expanded to show more information, by simply clicking on the field, to enlarge it. We hope this video tutorial was helpful. If you have any other questions regarding Startpage, please leave a comment below, or contact us directly through our customer service channels. Thank you, and have a nice day.